Today we brought something more, very silly and not squishier than a jelly bean. So we got, I'm not gonna do that trick, ready? Yeah! Slime! Well, not slime, it's Star Shark. It's silly pudding, which is, slime. Say at least. Now I go open it up. Yay! And these are literally slime. But it's not enormous slime. But when you put it's like Play-Doh, Muji Play-Doh, but different. But if you put it down, it makes something. Oh god. It literally sounds like a fart. Oh Jesus. And I heard this can be used for pranks. Now, can we take him out? What? Oh Jesus. Dude. Ew. Baseball style. If we can stretch it. Okay. Oh, okay. This is silly. Just do it like a weirdo. Okay. Where's the cap? I literally just throw it like this. Oh crap. There it is. Remember this? And now we have another slime, which is silly sludge, which is slime, but the color is actually toxic. Now, if we open it, oh god, oh, it's so slimy. Oh, you literally are slime. Can I put it on a tablet? No, it's a freaking bad idea. Oh god. It's literally someone's too lazy to put stop flow, which is like make things stop squishier and sticky. That's how they make slime. But they didn't even bother putting it to make it more grossly. It literally just fly out of my leg. And look at this. They break easily. So they but the freaking container bucket, it doesn't look like toxic. Oh god. We put sounds like a fart. I think if I could find these together. That'd be a really terrible idea. Perfect. Like this. Yeah. Ew. It was like tongue just licked melted gummy bears. Anyway. Put in. Dude, this is like the messiest food I've ever done. Anyway, enough of this. I hope you learned this video. This is gross. If you enjoyed, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. God, I really want to do more of these crafts.